next project. Grab these. I think I got a pretty good deal. Hopefully they fit. Just got the plow on it. We got our first snowstorm a couple days ago, so had to do the yard. But we're gonna try to get them on these. Hopefully it should be okay. The width on them is a little bit, we'll see. But it should do a lot better on ice. Thing's a tank anyways, it does alright, but why not get some chains, right? But 25 bucks, can't really beat that. So we're gonna try to do it. I have the heater on, so it's a little noisy. Sure, we'll do it that way, I guess. We're gonna try it. I got them laid out in the V-bar style. I think they're gonna be okay. So, all right. I pushed the four-wheeler a little bit, gave it some room. Go back. We'll see what that looks like, huh? Okay, so on the back, that was definitely a no-go. Tires were too wide, but they fit perfect on the front. No stress there. On the back side, don't look too bad though. They're tight on there, good. It says securing with some wire ties, zip ties, whatever. So, haven't done this side yet. So we'll do that. Second. lift this side up a little bit. Look on the inside. It does alright in the winter anyways, but hey, why not have some more traction? Back definitely no go. See if we can get a little bit tighter. So I might just have to leave it a little loose, I guess. I don't know. And zip tie that up. Alright, we'll see what happens. See how that's just a little bit loose. I want it on this next one, but it's right in the middle where I gotta put less air in it to get it right. But I think it's fine either way. It's not gonna go anywhere, that's for sure. But you put zip ties here, supposedly is what it says. Kind of like that. It says use cable ties. All that blah blah stuff. So I really wanted them on the back, but we'll take it. Either way, they're cheap enough to keep. So I got some zip ties here, just to make it a little bit more tighter, I guess. This is not really a super big deal, just use it and go to the next one on this. go. That works too. That's easy enough. That ain't going anywhere, really. But we'll double everything. I don't feel like fixing it again. We'll do the other side too. Best thing ever made right here. I really thought they were gonna fit on the back. But whatever, made it work either way. There. Easy enough. I don't know if we have to do the back. I don't really think so. Might do one on the back after I get done the other side. Do the other spot too. A little dark. The light's on the other side. But there's really no stress on the cable ties. They might get cold and snap, but I have a million of them. Cut those off. Where are you gonna find them, right? 25 bucks. I mean, geez, I can't even get them on Facebook for that. They're freaking used for more money than that. Looks pretty mean. think it looks pretty cool. We gotta cut those off. That's how it works. Easy enough. I'll put more videos up in the next snowstorm. How they're doing. Yeah. It's good. We'll have a little extra traction now. No spin. Maybe. But yeah, I figured I'd make a quick small video. Putting those on and how cheap it was. Tractor Supply, 25 bucks. Alrighty, thanks for watching and God bless.